Okay, I promise one more thing I want to share with you. It's the new Gnome 4 Seasons Winter, and there is a scrapbooking workshop and a card making workshop, and I just made them and I had to share them with you. And then I promise I will get to this stamp of the month. But I first want to share with you what this paper collection looks like, and I'm going to carefully bring it over here to my workspace. Sorry about that. Look at this amazing die, you guys. And look, he's so big. He's huge. He's like the size of my hand. And he's a little skater. And that is an item that you can buy separately. There are these fabulous winter snowflakes. This is the Gnome for Winter Scrapbooking stamp set and thin cut. And you can see that I've already used it. Anytime you see a blue image, that means that there is a thin cut that matches. And then these are the card sentiments that go with the card workshop. And then this paper is so fun. Here's the sticker sheet, and here is the paper. It's double-sided, so this side is the opposite there. The stripe is the words, and then this fabulous plaid, and then also this kind of wintry theme. And then here is the cardstock that comes in the cardstock pack. Again, these are double-sided, so you're seeing the light side first, and then they're coordinating dark side. And then I want to share with you the projects that I have already made with this collection. I'm going to carefully bring this over here into view. I might have to bring this out just a little bit. Let me move this stuff off to the side so you can see everything. And I'm going to just overlap those a little bit. So this is the card workshop. It will make 16 cards, 2 each of 8 different designs. And it is really one of the most beautiful card workshops. They have had another maker design for us, and they are so beautiful. So I'm just going to highlight them right here so that you can see there's tons of stamping, tons of splattering. Didn't have those in order, but you get the point. This one, look at how sweet that is. You're going to do a lot of fun doodling with the white gel pens. I learned how to do splattering with the white stamp pad, which is our pigment pad, and water. That was really, really fun. And then I love the use of the circles on this. Look at how clever this is. This entire background is stamped with that sentiment. And then these are circles that were cut in half and flanked on each side. And then there's that circle with some really fun stitching. Isn't that so beautiful? And I love the use of the snowflake acrylic shapes. And then look at how fun that card was too. So that's the card workshop. They are so beautiful. And the bundles are discounted. If you look on my website, when you purchase any of the bundles, they are discounted. So if you scroll down, you can see there's a product bundle, and that's 20% off. And then the scrapbooking workshop is 20% off, and the card making workshop is also 20% off. And you can get them with or without the stamp sets. If you don't get the stamp set, then it's not discounted, just to let you know. And then here is the scrapbooking workshop. You get a beautiful guide that will walk you through step by step how to do everything. And these are what the layouts look like. Let me just move my stuff off to the side here. Sorry, this is taking a lot longer than normal, but this is such an amazing collection, and I just got done doing it and I had to kind of brag. It's so beautiful. So this is layout number 1, and I just want to show you the ink distressing that you're going to do over here with some stamping. Look at how cute that little gnome is coming flying off the page. Again, some more ink distressing and stamping, and then you're going to use the marker to create those little dots. This page is the hero. Again, you're going to do some inks distressing, and you're going to actually trim that white piece off so that you don't even see that white cardstock. It makes it look like these little skaters are just kind of flying off the page, but isn't that just so precious? So that is layout number 1. This is layout number 2. I love the paper tearing. I love the ink distressing. I love the clustering. You're gonna just love making these gnomes. They are so fun. They came together so quickly too. Again, here's just the lower part. I just want you to see how fun they are. And they're just kind of floating off the page. And then this is layout number 3. Completely different too, and I just love using these strips of paper and then using the paper in between to kind of separate them. Those banner tags are so fun, the stickers. And then this is the other page right here. And I love this little journaling piece. So fun. And then last but not least, this is the 4th single page, and I had so much fun creating this. You guys, all I did was use a plate, and I drew the first circle, and then I took my pen and I drew 2 more circles to kind of make it offset. That was so fun. And just a lot of detail on here. Those little snowmen are so cute. Love the coloring, love the clusters. It's just a really fun page. And that is the workshop.